Hi guys, here I am again with another Christmas ornament. This one is just a lolly wrapped up, and I'm gonna make two of them, one for each of my grandkids to hang on their Christmas tree. And it is a really easy, fast thing to do, and I can assure you that it will be really appreciated by your kids. Okay, what we need to have to do this, of course, it's crochet number 3, a needle, a pair of scissors, a lolly, and of course cotton. I'm still using the same cotton that I used in every other video, which is the Sullivan and it is a 4-ply equivalent. So that's all I know about this cotton. I just go and get one that is suitable for the project. Okay, so we're gonna start in just a second. Right, to do this project, what I do is measure the lolly from here all the way to here, and then add another 3 centimeters to cater for the rippling effect. So if I take this out, I'll just take it out so you can have a look. It is just a long, so it goes about that, like that. See, so if we go around it loosely, it's about 5 centimeters or more over. It depends on how loose you want to put it on or how tight you want to put it on. It is really easy anyway. So I'm going to show you how to do this. It's really simple. What I did with that one is I made 60 chains, and then I worked around those 60 chains as follows. So just do your normal loop to start the first chain, and you can either do all the chains in one go, or I'll do it differently. I do the half double crochets from the beginning. So I knit I crochet 2 chains, then I do a loop, go into the first chain, pull up once, and then pull all the others through, and then I do it again into the in the chain that you just did, pull up once, and then pull the 3 of them together, and you keep on doing that. Pull up once, and then pull the 3 together. One loop into the very first, the last chain that you made, pull through, and pull through all of them. Turn your needle around through the last chain you made, pull through once, and then 3 together. So at the end, what you get is all double crochets ready to start knitting on the other side. I'll do a few more. Pull through the last chain, pull through once, and then pull through all 3 in the crochet. And the last chain, pull through once and through all three, and you keep on going like that. So I'll just finish my 60 and come back to you. You count chains on the top, by the way. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 so far. When I finish my 60, I'll come back and I'll show you how to do the second row. Okay, I just finished. I did 54. I just realized that it needs to be multiples of 4. So it's sorry, 58. So that is this project. The other one was 62. Okay, so when we turn around, we're gonna make 3 chains. I'm pretty sure I did 3. Yes, 3 chains, and we're gonna turn your work around and do a second chain, double crochet, I mean. Then 2 chains, skip 2, and another 2 double crochets. And we continue on like that until we finish the whole row. So I'll do 2 more, 2 chains, skip 2, and 2 double crochets. And another double crochet, and then 2 chains, skip 2, and a double crochet, and another double crochet. So this is how it starts to look, and that's how it looks in the middle if you look at the original. Another one, 2 chains, skip 2, and another 2 double crochets. When you come to the end of this row, what you need to do now is come back and do another row of half double crochets on the other side of the little steps in here. Okay, so you go 2 chains, that's equivalent to 1 single crochet, I mean 1 half double crochet, and then another half double crochet on top of the next chain, double crochet, and then because it's 2 chains in between them, you do 2 double crochets in there, 2 half double crochets in there, 1 and 2, and then another 2 on top of the double crochets. So another half double crochet here, and so basically you're doing 1 half double crochet on top of every chain on the previous row. So another half double crochet here, 2 double crochets in the space in between sets, another half double crochet there, and so on. So this is how it starts to look, and I'll see you when I finish this row to show you how to do the rest of it. Coming to an end here on this row. 1 and 2 inside the space, and then the last 2 chains is 1 and 2 half double crochets, and that's how we finish it off. Now the next one we're just gonna continue on, but with just single crochet. So we chain one and make one right there on the same space, and then another 3 here because it's 3 chains in equivalent to a double crochet, and then another one there. And to go around the corner, we do one for the corner and one for the other side, and then we continue on every chain a single crochet. So that's all it is, single crochets. And then it is not just this little bit, you go around the whole work, turn around here, trapping the tile inside, and come back to where you finish, and I'll show you how to continue from there. Okay, I'm coming to the end of single crochets all around the whole work, and so single crochet to the end, and when we get to the last one we just do a slip stitch on the last chain in here. Okay, so that's it. Now the last row, it is just as simple. You just do 3 chains, skip 1 and single crochet. I think I'm going to do it closer here because it's a bit funny in the corner, so yeah, we'll do it like that. Just look yourself. If you think that is too big of a gap in there and it's not going to make a little loop, just go next. Okay, so 3 chains, skip 1, single crochet, 3 chains, skip 1 and 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 single crochet. So you can do that all through around it, and when you get to the end I'll meet you again so we can finish it off. Okay guys, now I'm coming to the very end of this project. So we got 3 there, single crochet, chain 3, skip 1, single crochet, and that is a skip stitch. Do it again, slide through, and that's the end. So what I'll do now is cut the cotton in there, put it through the loop, tie it in, and get a needle if I can find it. Okay, here's the needle. And then hide the tile in between the stitches in there. Oh Christ, I hate that. Try again. So there we go. So what I'll do is just push the needle through, skipping a few chains, going across, and there should be plenty, so take that out, stretch it a bit, cut the excess. Now we get our lolly and we go through the first hole, and then that is all you do. You just go through all of them one after the other, just knitting through up to the end. That's how it goes. So once you get there and get it all through nicely, you make another little chain, make a knot at the end, oh god, make a knot there, then find roughly the middle, like that, cut the excess, and voila, it's all done. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. It's really a simple one, but it looks so beautiful in the Christmas tree. Might take a photo later when we do the Christmas tree to show you how they look in hanging off the Christmas tree. Okay guys, thank you for your attention and have a Merry Christmas.